In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut export error on mobile. This video is going to be super helpful, but if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. But now to fix the CapCut export error on your mobile, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and press and hold the CapCut application from your device and then tap on App Info. Now once you're here inside the App Info, you just need to tap on Clear Data at the bottom right here and tap on Clear Cache and tap on Clear Cache, and this will actually delete all the cache from the application, and most likely if you have any glitch or any problem, this might fix your problem. But let's say you did this process but you still have the problem. Now this is the time to check out the permission for the CapCut application. You just need to press and hold the CapCut application once again from a device and then tap on App Info here, and I just need to scroll down a little bit, and here we get the option called App Permissions. You just need to tap on this, and under this one you'll get to see the Not Allowed section. That means you just need to allow all the options that are required for the CapCut. So I'm going to select the media and file first, and I'm going to allow the access, and then get back from here and do the camera as well, and I'm going to do the microphone as well. And once you have allowed all the permissions, you just need to get back from here and force close all the apps that are running in the background. And once you do that, reopen the CapCut, and most likely a problem is going to be solved. But after doing all this process, if you found that you still have the problem, then here's the last two things that you guys can follow. First, open up the settings app from your Android phone and tap on About Phone at the very top right here and go to your storage section. Now once you tap on this one, you just need to check out your storage capacity. If you're running out of storage, then you might get different errors on the CapCut export. So you just need to make sure that you have available free storage, at least 10 to 20 gigabytes of free storage on your device, and right after that, try exporting your videos on the CapCut. And once you check out your storage, you just need to get back from here and open up the Play Store. This time go ahead and search for CapCut here, and go and tap on CapCut here, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your CapCut application to the latest version. And once you have followed all this process, most likely one of this process will fix your problem and you will be able to export any videos on the CapCut mobile. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.